Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by today. In today's video, I'm making chinchin with very overripe plantain, and this recipe was inspired by foodies and spice. So let's get started. So for this, I'm using 2 overripe plantains, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll also be adding milk, powdered milk. I didn't show that here. So I will start by peeling and cutting the plantains. I've washed the plantains before peeling them.
Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay.
After peeling and cutting the plantains, the next thing I'll do is to use my masher and mash it very well. But you can choose to blend it if you want.
Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Dup 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 dup.
The plantains are well mashed now. I'll set it aside and then bring the dry ingredients and mix together. Add some milk powder. After mixing the powdered milk together with the flour and sugar, I'll now add the butter. It is now time to add in the mashed plantain. I'll add that and then mix together. First with spatula and then I'll continue with my hands. I'll continue mixing like this until I bring in the whole flour into the mashed plantain. After everything, I'll then allow it to rest for about 20 minutes. The dough has rested for 20 minutes now and it has even softened more. The next thing I'll do now is to sprinkle some flour on the board, roll it out and also cut them into the shapes I want.
Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Dup 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 dup.
And here I have all the dough cut into shapes. The next thing is to fry. And in the pot here, I've already added the oil I'm going to use and fry. And once it gets hot, I start frying in a medium heat.
You'll be alright, 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 okay, I'll be okay, alright,
I will continue to fry and stir them and then also separate them from each other. And once it gets to that golden color, I take it out from the oil. And I'll repeat the same process until I have fried the whole chin-chin.
You'll be alright.
Our chin-chin is ready, so we'll take it out from the oil. The plantain chin-chin tastes so nice, but the problem I have with it is that it was not crunchy. I think I'll give it another try, another method. And after 2 days, it became strong. But the taste was good. The taste was okay. Thank you all for watching. I hope you like this video. Share it and also subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in our next video. Remain blessed and safe. Bye-bye.